This video is sponsored by Foreign Languages Institute, Nagar, Hyderabad. Hi friends, this is Badri. Welcome back to our channel Telangana Tourist Badri. Today in this video we are going to know about the Padmanabhapuram Palace. Padmanabhapuram Palace, also known as Kalkulam Palace, is a Travancore era palace located in Padmanabhapuram in the Kanyakumari district of Indian state of TamilNadu. The palace is owned, controlled and maintained by the government of the neighboring state of Kerala. Padmanabhapuram is the former capital city of the erstwhile Hindu kingdom of Travancore. It is around 20 kilometers from Nagarkoil, 39 kilometers from Kanyakumari town and 52 kilometers from Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. The palace is complex inside with an old granite fortress around 4 kilometers long. The palace is located at the foot of the Veli Hills, which forms a part of the Western Ghats. The river Valley flows nearby. Another palace known as Kottaram Palace is situated in Kottaram in Tenkasi, Tirunelveli district, Tamil Nadu, which is also under the ownership of Kerala government. This Padmanabhapuram Palace was constructed around 1601 by Iravi Varma Kulasekhara Perumal, who ruled Venad between 1592 and 1609. The founder of modern Travancore, King Anizham Tirunal Marthanda Varma, who ruled Travancore from 1729 to 1758, rebuilt the palace in around 1750. King Marthanda Varma dedicated the kingdom to his family deity Sree Padmanabha, a form of Lord Vishnu, and ruled the kingdom as Padmanabha Dasha or servant of Lord Padmanabha. Hence the name Padmanabhapuram or city of Lord Padmanabha. In the late 18th century, precisely in 1795, the capital of Travancore was shifted from here to Thiruvananthapuram, and the place lost its former glory. However, the palace complex continues to be one of the best examples of traditional Kerala architecture, and some portions of the sprawling complex are also the hallmark of traditional Kerala style architecture. The palace, though surrounded entirely by the state of Tamil Nadu, is still part of Kerala, and the land and palace belongs to the government of Kerala. This palace is maintained by the Government of Kerala Archaeology Department. The Padmanabhapuram Palace complex consists of several structures. Some of them are Mantrashala, the King's Council Chamber, the Kottaram, which was constructed before 1550, Natakashala, the Performance Hall, a four-storied mansion at the center of the complex, Teki Kottaram, the Southern Palace. The Padmanabhapuram Palace complex has several other interesting features. Some of them are: the palace is located near Tukale, Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu state, but administered by the government of Kerala state. The clock tower in the palace complex has a 300-year-old clock which still keeps time. A big hall now bare, which can accommodate around 1,000 guests, and where ceremonial feasts were held on auspicious occasions. A flight of steps leads to a bathing pond which has lost its freshness due to neglect and years of disuse. The palace complex also has a section of curious and several interesting objects. An entire room filled with old Chinese jars, all gifts by Chinese merchants. A variety of weapons which were actually used in warfare, including swords and daggers. Brass lamps, wood and stone sculpture, a variety of furniture and large mirrors made of polished metal. A gallery of paintings depicting incidents from the history of Travancore. A wooden cart made of up to 64 wooden pieces of a variety of medicinal tree trunks. Polished stone cart meant for cool effect, toilet and well. So friends, that's all about Padmanabhapuram Palace. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, your Telangana tourist Badri. Guys, hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and if you're watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel.